Before setting up Canvas Gradebook, we first need to create a Canvas assignment. And to do this from within the course, select Assignments, and then click the Add Assignment button. Provide an assignment name, and in the text box that follows, include pertinent information and directions. Scroll further down to input the number of points possible, and you can also create groupings for assignments. In this case, we will create a group entitled Leadership Case Studies. Next, set grading display options. These include percentage, complete incomplete, points, letter grade, GPA scale, or not graded. For this tutorial, we will use points. You can also opt for this assignment to not count towards the final grade. Next, set up the submission type. For this assignment, we will select text entry and file uploads. Once we select Save and Publish, the assignment appears in both the Assignments area as well as the Canvas Gradebook.